Best foods to juice. Just about any fruit or vegetable can be juiced. Since the skin and the area beneath the skin usually contain the most nutrients, don't peel your produce with the exception of melons and most tropical fruits, papayas, mangoes, pineapples, bananas. Citrus fruits contain important bioflavonoids in the pith, so peel off their skin but leave some of the pith on. Certain fruits are fatty, like avocados, or have a low water content, such as cherries and apricots, so blending them is a better option than juicing. Ginger. This spicy root is a powerhouse of nutrients. Gingerol is the active ingredient in ginger, and it is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Ginger is useful for treating nausea, inflammation, eliminating gassiness, and help control blood sugar in people suffering from type 2 diabetes. In addition, ginger has been used extensively in detoxifying the body. It promotes sweating, which cleans out the pores and releases toxins. Vitamin C, minerals, potassium, manganese, and copper. Phytonutrients, antioxidants, gingerol. You can get all these healthy benefits by adding ginger to your juice blends. Beets. Both the tops, greens, and the beetroot are full of nutritious value. They contain significant amounts of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Vitamins A, C, E, K, thiamine, riboflavin, B6, B12, folate, and pantothenic acid. Minerals calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium. Phytonutrients, antioxidants, carotenoids, flavonoids, and betaine. Due to their sugar content, beets are a good addition to primarily green juices since they add sweetness. Carrots. Did your parents ever tell you to eat your carrots because they improve your eyesight and help you see in the dark? While carrots won't quite do all that, they do help keep your eyes healthy. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamins, nutrients, and fiber. These vitamins and phytonutrients are thought to help reduce the risk of cancer and cardiovascular disease. In addition, carrot juice can increase the body's metabolism. According to a study in 2006, carrot juice increases bile secretions, which increased the metabolism and increased weight loss in lab rats. It may also do the same in humans, although further study is needed. Vitamins A, C, E, K, and folate. Minerals: calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, and iron. Phytonutrients: beta-carotene. Carrot juice isn't as sweet as beet juice, but it can also be used to sweeten other juices. It's important to drink carrot juice in moderation, since consuming excessive amounts of beta-carotene can turn your skin orange. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals and dense in phytonutrients, making them a powerful weapon against cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. They should become a staple in your diet because of these benefits and more, like tomatoes contains phytonutrients which have been found to prevent the clumping of platelets, which helps lower the risk of heart attacks and stroke. The beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin contained in tomatoes help protect vision. Studies have shown that drinking 2 cups of tomato juice a day will improve the overall appearance of your skin. Vitamins: A, C, K, and folate. Minerals: potassium, calcium, and manganese. Phytonutrients, antioxidants: lycopene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and chlorogenic acid.